Just doing a little review on this product I purchased off Amazon, this little dinosaur. I got it for my children, for my little boys, and I like the look of it really, to be honest. Thought it looked quite nice. So I ordered it, come through. This is the box it come in. So that's the box, details on here, and inside you get some, so that's the box the dinosaur come in. Yeah, you did come in that box, yeah. You didn't like it in there, did you not? Some little tools in here, little screwdriver and some spare batteries, which is quite useful. This is the pack you get with it, which is to make like a little landscape with some cardboard dinosaur. So I haven't actually opened that yet. And this is the actual dinosaur, so it's, you can see it's not too big. You just pull the little, it's already got batteries in it, you just pull this little tag out here and then it activates it. So you can move its mouth. It makes quite realistic noises. Move its arms. You can make it, you can move its legs, different positions. So you can have it move its tail. And it's not all metal. It says it's a die-cast metal. This bit on the head is, underneath the jaw is, and its legs. The rest of it seems to be plastic. So it moves its head, lights up. I mean, my kids love it, so I just thought I'd leave a little review to help people out so you can see it before you buy it. Like I said, I see it on one of the review things on Amazon, one of the pages come up, and I thought, oh, my kids are like that, my boys. So I ordered it, and it's come through, and they love it, especially at night time. The lights light up, and they carry it around with them, and it seems to activate to sound as well. So yeah, thank you very much for watching this review. I hope it's useful for you. Bye.